You want to know how we did this spooky smoke? Hang out and we'll show you. Okay, so I have this piece of pipe here, and it's about 1 1/4 inches diameter. And the reason why I'm using this is I just have it on hand. And I have a piece of wood here, so I'm going to go ahead and use this wood as a straight edge. And I'm just going to line up the pipe like this, and use a Sharpie and make a center line all the way down the pipe, like this here. All right, I've got my line drawn on there. I don't know if you can see it, but the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and mark out how I want my holes. And I'm not really sure what I'm doing because I've never made one of these before. I think I'm just going to make it about every inch. I'll start in like 2 inches with my first mark, and I'm just going to go ahead and mark every inch. I'm not going to go quite to the end because I got to cap the end. So I've got quite a few holes there. I'm going to use my center punch now and use it. Alright, so I have my center punch here. It's just a spring-loaded device that you know, pops a dent in it. So I'm just going to go along this line, give myself a little bit of a indentation. So the idea is to get as many holes as I can in a line so that I have kind of like a curtain of fog, you know, that goes straight up. Let me get my drill bits here. Alright, I have my drill press set up and I put in that 1/8 inch drill bit. Sounds like a good place to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop all these holes in there. Pretty good. Alright, so I found this plastic cap, like a foot almost, and I'm just going to put it on here to block off one end. See how that works. And then on the other end, I found this fitting, and it's a little bit bigger on this end so I can shoot the smoke in there. I'm going to get some, you know, fog that strays off, but this will get it in the hole a little better. We'll try it and see how it works out. So, I think that'll work. Alright, there's the pipe with the 2 ends on it. I'm going to bring it over here to my fog machine. This is a Radio Shack fog machine that I've had for a long time. It's worked pretty good. It has a remote control here too. You can see it has continuous fog, or you can press the button and get the fog, or you can set it on a timer and adjust those 2 knobs at the top. Anyway, I'm just gonna set this up temporarily to see how it works, and I think I can just prop it up right here, just like this. All right, so it's definitely temporary, but we just want to see if this is possible. And I've got the holes pointed straight up. So let me hit the fog button and see how it missed. Here we go. It's pretty good. Look at that. Wow, that's quite a curtain. All right, very good. Let me get my projector and we'll continue onward. Looking good. All right, so I've got the projector set up on this stand. It's an old LCD Epson projector, and I've got this wire going up to my laptop. Okay, so I set up a white piece of cardboard in front of the fogger because I need to focus my machine. Let me go ahead and turn this on. It takes a second to come on. All right, so I just killed the lights and I'm projecting this image on my YouTube page on this cardboard. And what I need to do is you know, turn the lens and get it focused. So let's do that. There we go. That's pretty good right in there. All right, let me get rid of this cardboard and we'll continue on with our experiment. Okay, so I have a video of mine opened up here on this laptop, and I'm gonna try to project it and see what's gonna happen. I have no idea. So let me go ahead and make this full screen. And get my fogger out here. Here we go, you ready? Let's get a look at it. Hey, look at that. So there's not a lot of detail there, but it looks quite good. The white colors look best. What I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and do some kind of a ghost on a black background. I think that would be best. That looks pretty good though. Spooky. The spooky brew. Alright, let's figure out something for the video. Smoke off. Let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that. That looks weird. Let me hit it again. You could do that actually. You could pulse this. Alright, I'll be back. That's spooky. It's me under the blanket. We're trying to get white on black, just a ghost figure, and then we'll do the rest in editing. So we have one light here. We're going against the black background. It's not really black, but it'll be good enough. And then you'll see what Steve does in editing. So I'm just going to move around a little bit while this records. It'll look a little lame at first, but once it's all together, I think it'll be good. All right, we'll see you in editing. Well, this is Sony Vegas, and Steve's putting together the animation for us. There I am with the sheet over my head. He added some googly eyes and a scary mouth. And yeah, we're just gonna put this on repeat and try it. See how it goes. All right. Okay, so here's the setup. Here's the smoke machine with the pipe with the holes in it that you've seen me make. Not a very big pipe, but it'll work for the demonstration. And then over here, we have the laptop with the animation on it that Steve made. Me with my head under a blanket with some eyes and a mouth. And then that runs up to this LCD projector. And it shines onto the curtain of smoke that will come out of there. And then to record the whole thing, we've got our Nikon sitting here. And we're going to turn off the lights here pretty quick and record it. Now you could record this from the front, you know, the view from the projector too, but you know, we're just gonna shoot into it and see how it looks. All right, very good. Let's see what it looks like. Well, this is it. We've got a steady stream of smoke going on. You can pulse it or steady stream it. And this is proof of concept. I think it looks pretty good, kind of spooky. Our Windows machine's just putting it through the projector and going right onto the smoke. And you can see it from the other side too. So I noticed that the colors look good if you use green or red. We've just got white here. You can see the red in the lips a little bit. So this is just a proof of concept, but I think it could be a really cool thing if you played with it. Our smoke machine is kind of plugged up and it's not real steady. So anyway, I think it's good enough to show the point. Thanks for watching.